Curacao, November, 888 Zulu Alpha, 21.5 for flight level 240.
November 888 Zulu Alpha, Curacao, good afternoon, radar contact, continue climb for level 380.
380 Zulu Alpha.
November 888 Zulu Alpha, turn right heading 020, and unidentified traffic, 12 o'clock, closing 10 miles, level not known.
020 for 888 Zulu Alpha?
A from right, 020.
Right, 020, 888 Zulu Alpha. We scout that traffic. I don't know how we didn't get an RA for that, but they were really close. And you turned us into them.
They keep on turning irregular. Proceed to left, continue direct to Kisas.
Left direct Kisas, 888 Zulu Alpha.
And 888 Zulu Alpha, you have another one coming up behind you at your 5 o'clock, 8 miles out.
Okay, 888 Zulu Alpha.
November 888 Zulu Alpha, could you indicate what altitude the traffic was on?
Somewhere around 26. We were climbing right into him.
Roger, do you have any sight?
It was big, maybe like a 777, 76, something like that. It was a wide body.
Roger, thank you. I'll notify them. The traffic that was behind you is currently proceeding eastbound, so you're clear of traffic.
Okay, thanks. 888 Zulu Alpha.